So I get a lot of people that say, oh, it must cost so much money to maintain a GTR. It costs so much to own a GTR. I've had this car 2 years and I've done nothing but oil changes. That's literally all I've done. I'm actually about to knock one out right now. So GTRs do have this tray. Right down. Boom, blam, that's out of the way. Drain bolt right there. Filter right yonder. Pop this drain open real quick. Bam. Get your new crush washer on the drain bolt. Just like that, she's ready to fill back up with oil.